Cargamento. Shiril? I'm sorry if I murdered your name here, but my apology. Okay, Shiril Cargamento, please come over. Oh, here she is. Napakaganda naman talaga ni Shiril, no? Okay, kainin mo muna yung candy. Then, here is the microphone. So, isindihan mo muna yung candle mo. Guys, pag nagsalita kayo, kailangan malapit yung microphone. Okay? Para at least marinig naman ang lahat. Lumapit ka naman dun. Sa akin ka ba? Mag-wish? Char. Okay, mag-wish ka. Huwag kang kabahan. Sinit hearing na.
Happy birthday, ate. I wish you enjoy your day and focus ikaw sa study mo. Yun lang. More birthday to come.
Okay, napaka-short and loving. So brief. No, thank you so much. And of course, we have here now Sunshine Del Rosario. Is Sunshine here? Oh, be pang Miss Universe ka, promise. Dapat nag-heels ka. Sana pinahiram na lang kita, Charot. Kainin mo yung candy muna. Hindi. While you are eating, magbibigay ka ng message. That is the twist. Please.
Happy 18th birthday. Thank you for inviting me. And my wish for you is, I hope you achieve your dreams and goals in life. Yun lang. Enjoy your day.
Oh, napaka-loving and caring naman. And here we are. Thank you so much.